basically we have studied in the class also, variable refrigerant volume or variable refrigerant flow. It's one and the same only. Basically this is first developed by the Toshiba Japan, okay, and after that its patent has been purchased by Daikin. Although in this we have studied there is one outdoor unit and multiple indoor units, and Toshiba, as if they are the inventor of this, they have said we can connect maximum 48 systems indoor to this, to one outdoor, multiple indoors can be connected. But after that Daikin has taken the rights of that, and they have said not only 48 indoor systems we can connect to this outdoor system, we can connect 60 also. But it's not that every time we can connect 48 only or 60. There can be multiple 5 systems, 10 systems, 10 indoor units, something like that. And that indoor can be anything. It can be split AC, it can be cassette, it can be ductable split, it can be any other. So basically they are a very good systems, cheap and best as compared to with respect to Indian climatic condition. In Gulf also nowadays they are using, but due to the climatic condition, due to high humidity conditions in most of the developed cities of the Gulf, basically they were not using this VRF system because there's a problem of corrosion. Okay, and as I said you, one outdoor is supplying the refrigerant to the multiple indoors through the copper pipes. They use mostly copper pipes, and because of the copper pipes, due to the humidity, although copper is having a very good tensile strength, which is supplying the refrigerant, but due to the climatic conditions in the Gulf, usually they have a sea and they have the more evaporation of the sea saline water. Corrosion occurs very frequently or rusting. So the major drawback of this is if there is minor hole or minor pores also in the supply line, the whole refrigerant get flushed off and the whole system get handicapped or paralyzed. Basically we use this VRF system for a dedicated structures like processor rooms, microprocessor rooms, networking rooms, special workstations or board meeting rooms. So for a small or medium dedicated structures like processor room, networking room, or board meeting rooms, or some cafeteria, something like that. Not cafeteria most of the time, but dedicated like processor system rooms we use. So this is, and we can use maximum up to 50 TR also, and it is a climatic favored system. We use ammonia here, 410A, something like that, or even we can use some other also, and it's very good. It has a copper pipe. Copper pipes we do have, sir, here. We are having all the pipes going down, and through which the refrigerant goes, and then the indoor system is get cooled by the normal phenomena of VCC cycle, and then it comes back return also. Okay, so you can see we are having a inverter type Daikin system of VRF and VRE. Okay.